Yo, your main man's back. Check your something out. Something brand new. Something that you've never seen before. Okay? It's called the hot joint. Alright? No, that's not the name. It's called the NOOAs. Okay? The NOOAs are the new joints that's out, man. The NOOAs come in an emerald color, man. Okay? It's called the Emerald Fire NOOAs. Okay? NOOA Clippers, man. I'm telling you, you got to get up on these. If you don't know, now you know. And if you don't know, you better don't know from me. If you don't know from me, you better ask somebody. And I'm telling you right now, I'm going to open this up. Look at that, nice and smooth. Okay? And yeah, you see the name under there. You see that Tie Star right there? That's right, Tie Star. That's us. Those are my companies, man. And we do all these things, man. We do the hot joints. Things you want to know about, we got them. We got the hot joints. Okay? Now this bad boy right here is absolutely gorgeous. I'll bring it real close to you so you can see this bad boy. Now what I want you to notice is the sleekness of this bad boy as well. Look at this. This is a sexy girl right here. This is absolutely beautiful. This can be used in the top barbershops. It can be used in the top hair salons because of this beauty and sleekness. Whoa! Maybe it's a little too sleek. But here you go on the other side. Look at this bad boy. Absolutely incredible. Okay, this bad boy runs at 7,000 RPMs. Okay, I'm letting you know right now, 7,000 RPMs. Switches right here beautifully on the side. You can grip it right here. Put your hands underneath it. Has little indentations on the bottom here and on here, like finger grooves that grabs your fingers and you can hold on to it like that really easily. It's real nice. Also, the surprise here is that, check this out. 1, come on, 2, 3, 4, 5 grooves altogether, 5 levels. This bad boy can go all the way up. You understand? All the way up. All the way up. It's a beautiful blade. It's beautiful. Okay, one of them taper blades or one of them little rounded taper blades. It feels more like a hybrid type between your fade and your taper types. Okay, this is incredible. 5 levels. 5 levels in this bad boy. This thing is hot. I'm telling you, the NOOA is an amazing one called the Emerald Fire. NOOA's Emerald Fire Clipper, man. You got to get up on these. Now, this bad boy can move and groove, man. It's very strong. It will surprise you. It's not one of those just has looks. It has the looks and the engine power and the blade that can do it all. Okay? Do not slack on these. Make sure you go out and invest in these bad boys. That you will not go wrong. And trust me, you will write me and thank me later. And I'm serious. If you go buy it, write me. Okay? If you want to know something new, matter of fact, if I put something out, if you haven't seen something out here, or something that you want to see out here, just write me. Just write me to, yo, Todd, listen, I want to know what's up with this and this. Check this new one out and let me know how I do. Matter of fact, Todd, let me see a cut demo of something. I will do a cut demo just for you. Understand? And I will do that. I mean, I'm not going to do a little baby easy one because everyone does fades. Okay? It's kind of played out somewhat to me. It's too easy to do. Okay? But the difficult ones, they don't want to do. I do difficult cuts. Okay? I'll do the high top king fade with the spread out, with the blowout on top, with the snake tail in the back. Okay? The snake tail wrapping around the back of the head, whipped to the left. Okay, I can do all amazing ones. Okay, just things you wouldn't even dream of, whether it's the Super 5 Cup in the 70s, to the Afros, to the Pompadour, you name it, I can do it. I'm telling you. Matter of some of the new ones coming out. I'm banging. You got to get down with this stuff, and this type of clipper can actually do it. Can actually give you that effect that you're looking for, the look that you're looking for, the crispiness, the crunch when you're going through the hair. Okay, it can power through thick hair, even though it's extremely sleek and beautiful. Don't underestimate the looks. You understand? Don't underestimate. This is one of those models. Like they say, you don't judge a book by its cover. This is it. This is one of those models. It's too pretty. It's too sleek. It won't. No, trust me. It has a killer engine. Okay. Sleek. It's like Michael Jordan. Very thin and stiff, but powerful motherfucker. You understand? Trust me, you're going to want this bad boy. Also, inside the box when we close out, let's see. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got 6 guards inside there. 6 guards in here. They're nice thick guards. Very nice thick guards. You got your oils in there, your big old oil up in there, and you got your cords up in here as well. Okay, you have your cord right here. See the type of cord it has? There you go. Also has a brush inside here as well. So you have basically everything that you need. Understand? Basically everything you need, everything you're looking for is in this thing right here. This is truly an incredible clipper. Once again, take the time to go out, invest, and try something new. Try the NOOA Emerald Fire Clipper. You heard it here first at Ty Star Barber World. Yo, peace out.